Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to pack your PlayStation 5 for travel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up your PlayStation 5 at a hotel or wherever you are going to and set it up safely so that you can enjoy your games no matter where you are at. Even if you're not at home, this is how you take your PlayStation 5 alongside with you and have a pleasant gaming experience. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and let's go ahead and explore the PlayStation 5 setup at a hotel right here in Sri Lanka. Talking about this gaming experience, what you mainly need is a good TV that ideally has HDMI, and you need your PlayStation, and if you want, optionally you can have a UPS as well. So like I mentioned in my everyday carry video previously that I made, I'm having a UPS in this bag, so just for extra protection I have brought that. So I'm going to take that out. I also have an extension cord just in case I need to plug anything extra, so I'm just going to keep that over here as well. And yeah, this is the UPS that I'm carrying around with me no matter where I go, especially to hotels and stuff. I like to take this. So this is a ProLink super fast charging UPS, 1.2 kVA UPS that I have over here. So I'm going to go ahead and place it right here. And then that's about it for this bag. Actually, I just had my UPS inside that. And then we have the PlayStation 5 bag. So like I showed you guys in my other video, that's this. So let me give you guys a closer look at this. This is the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So the zipper is at the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up like this. And yeah, just like you guys saw in my previous video, we have the stand over here. This is what we are going to use to dock the PlayStation. Then we have PlayStation games that I've brought. Most of my other games are digitally loaded onto the PlayStation itself, as well as this hard drive. So I have this external hard drive that I carry. So this has most of my other games that are saved. So the digital editions of the game. So I'm going to go ahead and get the PlayStation out of here. So gotta be very careful when you take it out. You have to remove the Velcro and get it. So this is the PlayStation. So I'm gonna keep that over here for now, right? And then on this side, so we have the screwdriver to tighten the nut, like I told you guys in my previous video. Then we also have this power adapter, right? The power adapter is there. Then the HDMI cable is also there. And then we have this little dongle for the Pulse 3D headphone, right? So I have that over here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this Velcro and get into the second compartment, which is where we have all the good stuff, the controllers, the Pulse 3D, and the charging dock. So I'm gonna get these things out one by one. So we have the Pulse 3D wireless headphone that I love using so much, the charging dock for the controllers, and both of the controllers you can go ahead and just place and charge. No need of any cables, you just plug that and it just starts charge. Now that we are done with these compartments, now it's up to us to go ahead and set up the PlayStation itself. So I like to mount mine vertically. So I'm going to go ahead and open this cover to reveal the nut that I put in earlier. Take it out like this, and now I can go ahead and take my PlayStation, keep it over here, and then I can go ahead and just place this like that. And then all I need is a screwdriver to tighten the nut. So just like that, Now my PlayStation is ready to be used. Stand is there. It's all ready. I love this design, by the way. Still, even after 2 years, I still love this design. Looks so awesome. Okay, so now what I have to do is set it up over there at the back. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I'm gonna take the PlayStation and keep it over here. Right next to this over here. And I'm gonna take the UPS and I'm gonna set it over here where there's a plug point. So I'm connected it to power. That's all set up. Now I need the charging cables. So this is the charging cable that I have for the PlayStation itself. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the UPS. And the other end, I'm going to go ahead and connect to the PlayStation itself. Then the HDMI, I'm going to go ahead and connect that also. Other end to the TV. So if you find a good hotel with a nice TV, especially with HDMI, and you actually get it as a bonus if it's a 4K TV, so you can really enjoy all the awesome games. Right, so the connection is now done over here. I need to go ahead and connect my portable hard with the games that are loaded in over here, so I'm going to go ahead and connect that also. And then the little dongle for the Pulse 3D headset, I'm going to go ahead. Let me actually go ahead and connect it at the front. So that's also done. Now I need the controllers. So here I have the controllers and the Pulse 3D. So I have this 3D printed gadget that I actually use to mount the Pulse 3D on the side here, and make quickly find that. Looked all over the place. I actually can't figure out where I put that little part that I used to plug this to the side. I'm going to keep that over here. Here I have the charger that I have to connect to charge the controller, so I'm going to go ahead and hook this up real soon. So I'm going to connect that also to the UPS just to be on the safe side. The worst thing about traveling is getting one of these things set up, but if you are staying at the same place for a couple of days, then it's all worth it. So we are staying over here for about 4 nights. So because of that, this is all worth it. Right, so now the connection is done. So now I need the remote. I think this is the remote. So I'm going to go ahead. It's already turned on actually. I just need to go ahead and switch source. Actually, this is the remote of the cable TV, so I'm going to go ahead and use this button over here to manually switch. TV with remote tap manual heavy? Now that you're done with all of that, now we have to get the PlayStation turned on and it's showing up on our TV. So I'm going to go ahead and take the controller, turn it on. Alright, so now that the main setup is done, the UPS is done, the PlayStation is connected and all of that, so now we have to go ahead and turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on this power button. Just like that. Now it's turned on, so now I can go ahead and grab a controller and PlayStation is now turning on. So the hard drive is set up, right? It's connected to the TV with HDMI. So you can see both of my controllers are set up. So I just need to switch HDMI, I guess. So I'm gonna change my source right now. So let's see. No, that's the wrong source. We are now in PC, so we need to quickly go to source once again and switch to HDMI 1. This is the normal TV. Alright, so there we go. PlayStation is now turned on, connected. Now we have to adjust the display area, so I'm going to go ahead and check. Right now it looks good. So yeah, that's about it. So now we are connected. Now I can go ahead and connect to the network, the Wi-Fi network over here at the hotel and start gaming. So whatever games you have, you can set it up, or whatever is on your hard drive, you can start enjoying the games. There's a nice couch over here, nice TV. And it's a very relaxing environment over here. Nice way to start your vacation, I guess. So I think this is a lifesaver because you can really take your PlayStation with you no matter where you go safely. So I think this really worked out at the end. And once I'm done with all of this, once I'm done with my tour, once I'm ready to go once again, I can unpack all of this, put it back into the bag, and just go out and go ahead and set it up at home. So I hope you guys found this video useful. So next time, if you're also a PlayStation owner and if you go on vacation to a hotel or whatever, make sure to try this out. And if you have any other suggestions to improve this setup, let me know. Since it is a portable setup, don't want to get too funky with it. But this works, I'm gonna enjoy it. So let me know what you guys think about this whole thing, and can't wait to start gaming on this. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of WWE 2K22 in today. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Follow me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And check out my other videos, especially my gaming channel, Gaming with Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. So until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some games now.